Here's how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Now, maybe you watched the reel and you wanted to go back. You wanted to watch it again, but you forgot what it was. I'm going to show you two different tricks to be able to find that specific reel or watch your history of watched reels. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helped me out. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to hop into Instagram here, and there are two different tricks that I'm going to show you. They are not foolproof. They are the best option that we have at this time. So let's tap on reels at the bottom right, and you can see I really like this reel, but I scrolled past it. I watched several other reels and I wanted to go back and I wanted to watch that history, or go back and you went back home and you did other stuff, you liked other posts, you did other things. The thing is, as long as you haven't closed out of Instagram or it hasn't been a really long time, you can always just go back up on your reels history list. So, and it will just let me swipe down to go back, and so I can just basically go back and there it is. I can find that specific reel. If this was a reel that you watched like a week ago or a month ago, this is not gonna work. So this is pretty recent stuff. If you've just watched a bunch of reels and you wanted to go back and rewatch one that you watched previously, you can always just use this option. Now, the second thing, and this doesn't always work, if you interacted in some way with this specific reel, you can go back and find it. So let's say I like this reel or I commented on it or something like that, and I've lost it. I can tap on my profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right, and then I can tap on your activity here, the second option, and once I'm here, then press the first option, likes. I can go into there and you will see that reel that I just liked in here. So of course, if you want to go back and watch an old reel or see the history, this doesn't work for all of them, especially if you didn't like or comment on it or anything like that. But if you did, you can always just go back in here and watch it again. That's why I really recommend, if you like specific reels or any posts or anything like that, make sure you hit that like button so that you can always go back and watch them again. Down the road, they're kept in here basically for forever. You can just scroll through this list, watch a reel that you liked 6 months ago or whatever. Hope this helps. If you have any question on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you out on the next one.